Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
So, how are you all?
Fine, sir. What about you,
Yes,
sir?
I'm also fine. At the day today.
Today is 23rd of June, sir.
Okay, 23rd of June. Subject is economics.
Yes, sir. Sir, you are looking handsome today.
Oh, thank you. So, what is the topic we have been dealing with?
People as resource, sir.
Yes, people as
Resource.
yes. And what do you remember? What was the subtopic we discussed to understand the story of somebody we discussed? Do you remember?
Sakal.
Yes, you are correct.
Story of Sakal.
So today we will deal another story, okay, another case that is of Vilas, okay.
Yes, sir.
Story of Vilas, okay. So before we discuss about the story of Vilas, so what do you remember? Do you remember anything we discussed about the story of Sakal?
Uh, yes, with regard to education, sir.
Oh yes, yes, yes. So what do you think? Did he go to school? Sakal, did he go to school?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, he went to school.
Okay,
Oh
sir.
yes, yes, yes. I think maybe you did not pay attention. Okay, no,
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. So he went to school. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because his parents forced him to go to school,
School.
and we saw that he was very much interested.
Yes,
And
sir.
as a result, what did he do? He was able to complete what? Computer program, okay, computer, okay, vocational program in computer. And after that, what did he do? He created a software, okay,
Yes, sir.
and that software earned a lot of income for that
Income.
farm. And the in charge, the main okay manager of the farm, rewarded him and gave him what? Promoted him for next in charge. Okay, whatever steps are there, okay.
Yes,
So in
sir.
that he got bigger post, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
okay, dear students. So now I ask one of you to okay switch on the projector so that will discuss the story of Vilas. Okay.
Yes,
To
sir.
understand better, people as resource. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me keep it down. Okay, so let me make it bigger for you all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait for a minute. Hope it is visible, yes,
Yes,
students?
sir. Visible,
Okay.
sir.
So we see here. So today we will deal the story of Vilas. So this will help us to understand okay people as a resource, and then why people are in a country. Some of them are considered as liability, and some of them are an asset.
Asset.
Okay, okay. So okay, let us see. Okay. Vilas was an 11 years old boy residing in the same village as Sakal. Okay, where he was also from Sakal. Okay, from the village of Sakal. Okay, Vilas' father Mahesh was a fisherman. Okay, his father passed away when he was only 2 years old, so he was very small. Okay, his mother Geeta sold fish to earn money to feed the family. She bought fish from the landowner's pond and sold it in the nearby mandi. Okay, she could earn only 150 rupees a day by selling fish. Vilas became a patient of arthritis. Okay, his mother could not afford to take him to the doctor. Okay, he could not go to school either. So okay, so this we'll try to understand what this okay paragraph says. Okay, so we see Vilas was how many years old? He was 11 years old. Okay,
Yes,
he was
sir.
11 years old, and then he was also from whose village? Sakal's village, and we see Vilas' father passed away when Vilas was 2 years old, very okay, only was 2 years old. So maybe he doesn't remember, okay, his father, okay. And then who is looking after them now?
His
His
mother.
mother is looking, and she also gets how much rupees? 150 rupees in a day, that also by selling fish. And that fish also she gets from whom? Landowner's pond, okay. So
Yes.
definitely landowners, they will be selling her no, with high price, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, high price. Definitely they will be selling to her with a high price. So she has to purchase with high price. Okay. So with that she was managing, okay, to run her family. Okay. And then we see here his son, her son Vilas became a patient of arthritis. Okay. So his mother was not able to take him to the doctor hospital. Okay, because they did not have enough
Money.
enough money, and if they were not able to send him, okay, take him to the doctor hospital, so do you think they will be able to afford to pay him fee of the
No,
school?
no,
So
sir.
he didn't go to school also. Okay, so let us go to the next slide. Okay, so one of you can read this.
He was not interested in his studies. He helped his mother in cooking and also looked after his younger brother, Mohan. After some time, his mother fell sick and there was no one to look after her. There was no one in the family to support them. Vilas too was forced to sell fish in the same village. He, like his mother, earned only a meager income. Measure or what?
Meager income.
Meager
Okay,
income.
very less income. Okay, okay. So we see here, and we see first and foremost, they did not have enough money. Okay, and he was not interested in studies also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then we see he helped his mother in cooking at home, household work. Okay, just he was helping his mother. Okay, whatever work was there at home. Okay. After some time, his mother fell sick, and there was no one to look after her. Okay, look after her, because only uh, Vilas was there. He was the youngest son. Okay, and then we see the situation very bad. His mother fell sick, so now there is no one to look after her. Okay, except Vilas. Rest of them are okay, very okay, small. Okay, so there was no one in okay fine to support them, so there was no one else, no one was earning money, okay, to support to take his mother to doctor, also no income, so definitely she will become weaker and weaker. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Vilas too was forced to sell fish in the same village. So you situation. So you see here, situation made him, because there was no income. So he had no other choice. He has to sell fish, and then he has to earn daily wage to survive, to run his family. He has to do that.
Yes,
Because
sir.
he does not have enough money. And so we see how he, like his mother, earned only a meager income. Means his mother earning how much rupees?
150
rupees per day. So he was also earning the same amount.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so now we saw two cases. Okay, yesterday we saw the Sakal story, and today we saw a Vilas story. So we'll compare. Okay, compare and contrast what was there in Sakal's. How was the Sakal's family, and what was the condition of this Vilas family? Okay, so we see here. Okay, dear students. So in the two case studies, we saw Sakal went to school and Vilas did not go to school. First point.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sakal family was very okay. They were actually middle class family. Okay, they had
Yes,
enough
sir.
money, and their parents, okay, Sakal's parents forced him to go to his school.
School.
Whereas we see here we see that Vilas was also not interested, and they did not have enough money also. So his mother could not force him to go to school. Okay. So we see here, Sakal was physically strong and healthy, whereas what we see, there was no need for him to visit the doctor frequently. So he didn't even go to single time. Was there mentioned?
No,
Not
sir.
mentioned. He was very healthy. Okay. That
Yes,
means
sir.
they were having nutritious food, okay? And so he was physically
Weak, sir.
strong.
Who?
Sakal.
Yes, sir. He
Yes,
was
physically
physically.
strong.
Vilas was weak, sir.
Yes, Vilas was weak. So, Vilas was a patient of arthritis, okay? Because he was, because already they were poor, so they were not getting nutritious food. So because of that, maybe he got affected, okay, early in the initial stage, okay, itself. He lacked the means to visit the doctor, so we saw that they did not have enough money to go to hospitals.
Hospital.
If you go to hospitals, you have to pay money.
Yes,
And if
sir.
you don't go to hospital, you will become weaker and weaker. And what will happen? As a result, you will one day
Die.
died, yes. So Sakal acquired a degree in computer programming, you see here. Huh? He
Yes.
acquired a degree, but what do we see in case of Vilas?
He started selling fish.
Yes, he did not even see the door of the school, okay.
Yes, sir.
And what we see here, Sakal found a job in a private farm while Vilas continued with the same work as his mother. So we see here Sakal got a nice job in private company and he was earning what? High incomes, okay. And we see here, Vilas continued. Vilas 150 rupees per day his mother earning. So he continued with the same wages, okay, daily he was earning 150 rupees by selling fish.
Fish.
Okay. So we see here the difference is the vast difference. So they got a very nutritious food and the family of Vilas got very liking nutritious food. Okay. So here we can see through this with these two cases we can understand how why people some of them are called liabilities in a country and why some of them are called considered why.
Assets.
Yes, very good. So hope things are clear to you, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us say, okay. He earned a meager income like his mother, okay, to support family. So this is the case of Vilas. In the case of Sakal, several years of education added to the quality of labor. Okay, so he studied for many years. Okay.
Yes,
And-
sir.
But then we see what happens afterwards. This enhanced his total productivity. Okay, total productivity adds to the growth of the economy. Okay, so if he earns after studying, it is growth for the what? If his personal income is increased, then automatically the economy of the country will
Increase.
Yes. This in turn pays an individual through salary or in some other form of his choices. Okay, choice. In case of Vilas, there could not be any education or health care in the early part of his life. So we saw that he was not even they could not go to hospitals. So even he fell sick. Okay.
Yes,
He
sir.
spends his life selling fish like his mother. Henceforth, he draws the same salary of unskilled laborer as his mother. So he was drawing money like his mother earning every day. Whereas in case of Sakal, we see he got a good job. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay. So investment in human resource via education and medical care can give high rates of return in future. So as I told you, if you are invest money in education, definitely you will have higher income in days to come in future. Okay. This investment on people is the same as investment in land and capital. So as you can see here, if you invest money in education, as we invest like buying land, okay, or capital like machinery things, constructing buildings, you have to invest money, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what. So if you invest money in education field, definitely will have income later on. Okay. A child too with investment made on her education and health can yield high return in future in the form of higher earnings and greater contribution to the society. So same thing, okay? What
Yes,
I
sir.
explained to you, okay? Educated parents are found to invest more heavily on the education of their child. Okay, so those who are educated, they like to invest money in the field of education. Okay, this is because they have realized the importance of education for themselves. So they know, since they have studied, so they know that what is the importance of investing money in the field of education. Okay, they are also conscious of proper nutrition and hygiene. Okay, so in the Sakas family, they were having nutritious food. Okay, so they were healthy, very good. Okay, they accordingly look after their children's needs for education at school and good health. Okay, so based on that, they provide foods and they look for a school. A virtuous cycle is thus created in this case. So we see both the cases. Okay. In contrast, a vicious cycle may be created by disadvantaged parents who themselves uneducated and lacking in hygiene. So, like it is in case of Vilas family. Okay, keep the children in a similarly disadvantaged state. So, since they were not educated, since they did not have a job, and they were lacking money to send, so they could not send Vilas to school. So, same thing will happen if they are not educated. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear students. Hope things are clear to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay. So countries like Japan have invested human resource. They did not have any natural resources. So natural resource. These countries are developed or rich. They import the natural resource needed in their country. How did they become rich or developed? This is the question mark. Okay, they have invested on people, especially in the field of education and health. We see they don't have natural resource, but then they have educated their citizens. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and so they are getting higher incomes. Okay, in their countries, and as a result, their economy is going higher and higher. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
these people have made efficient use of other resources like land and capital. Efficiency and the technology evolved by people have made these countries rich or developed. So we see here that's what when they invested more money in the field of education and made use of land and other capitals, and their economy is very high. Okay. So just to recapitulate, I will ask some questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What was the difference between Sakal and Vilas family?
Sakal family was rich and Bilas family was
Yes.
poor.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, so that's all. Second question: which sickness was Vilas suffering from?
Arthritis.
Yes, very good. Did Vilas go to school?
No, sir.
Very good, excellent. So I guess you people are confident well. So before we end the class, homework. What would you do if you were in the place of Vilas? Write in about 500 words. Okay, students.
Yes,
So
sir.
have a nice day, dear students.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.